trail is definitely one of my favorite trails, but for a winter run, I've never really considered it. But our plans fell through for our other trails and there really wasn't another good option. I had a feeling that the warm weather and the little snowfall over the past few weeks would make the trail passable, and at least the Gatekeeper and the Bull a little bit of a challenge for us. Oh yeah, beautiful day at the Loon Lake Spillway. The snow down here today is pretty rough. It's kind of just like ice, soft ice. We had a snow run on the schedule, so we were gonna come up here regardless. The problem is it hasn't snowed in a few weeks, so the snow's all old. We were gonna do just like Uncle Tom's cabin run, something like that. You know, driving on the road, there just really isn't much there. So we decided, why not hit the Rubicon? The plan is to just see how far we can get and then turn around and come back out the same way. But beautiful day to be out here. The Gatekeeper is one of my favorite sections on the trail. Most of the popular obstacles are uphill or downhill or at least off camber, but the Gatekeeper is flat with some medium-sized rocks, which makes for some great technical rock crawling. For whatever reason, there are usually a bunch of people standing around too, which I think just adds to the fun. And I have so many good memories in the Gatekeeper. It's one of those nostalgic things. Right when you hit it, you just know it's going to be a great day.
You're gonna come up high on your passenger side. There's a big old rock right there. So I would come drive her a little bit. Gonna get flexy. You got it, yep, slow. Hold that. There you go. You can go straight now. You're coming up on your passenger. Just go slow. Yep, no, go driver a little bit. Driver, if you can. Yep, straight. Yeah. Yep, good job. Go. Yeah, drop me off halfway down and then I'll stay there for when you come up.
Okay. Well, get out. One of the first things I thought about when we were headed this way was how far we were going to be able to get on the trail. Now, I heard a recent story of a couple guys in some Toyotas getting stuck at the bottom of the Granite Bowl because of the snow and the ice. But with this group and the size of our group, I thought it was worth the risk, and we could figure out how to get out of the bottom. First, my buddy Rich headed down in his FJ, and after sliding down, he just used some of that V8 power to launch back up to the top. Now, my YJ still has the inline 6, so I tried pretty much every trick I know to make it back up without using a lot of gas, including a crawl. Then I was hunting for some dry spots. Then I decided to use some RPMs, and when I floored it in third gear, that almost got me up to the top. Eventually I was stopped. Then I decided I was going to try to crawl again, but on the side in some tracks that were already made by somebody else earlier in the day. It actually worked, and I was just inching myself up there, but finally I was no longer able to move forward, so backed up, gave a little bit of gas, and that worked.
There you go. Mm-hmm.
My buddy Ron in the Commando here decided, screw the tactics, we're going skinny pedal the whole way up.
Just be ready to jump behind the rock if you need to.
We got hot dogs, we got wieners.
Where's the drinks? I got.
just going over branches on the other side. You picked up a rock there for a second and it was gonna go up under, but then it fell. It fell, yeah.
That was a beautiful day of wheeling. So we're out here with a group of people, call themselves Alliance Off-Road. It's like the anti-club club, friends that come out and go wheeling. It's like pretty select group of people, it seems like. So they know everybody's dependable, they wait for each other, and there's minimal drama. So no club meetings, no dues, anything like that. Perfect. My schedule totally sucks a lot of the time, so I've missed actual club meetings and trail runs and cleanups and all that, and you know, people don't like that when you're part of the club. But now I've got this option. I can go out with these guys too. I've met some awesome people here, and go do stuff like today, you know. Snow run turned into more of a winter run. That was a great day on the trail. We mostly just played in the gatekeeper, a little bit on the slabs, and it was awesome. Mostly Jeeps. Got the another YJ right here, Jeepster Commando. There's a FJ over there, Cherokee, JKs, and we had a TJ. So that's a pretty good mix. We got the drone out for some cool shots here. Thanks for checking out the video, guys, and I will see you in the next one.